A study trip to Veracruz. A study trip. Last year, I went on a study trip to Veracruz with my classmates and teacher. The purpose of the trip was to learn about plant production systems. We were very excited because we knew we would see of different crops are produced like bananas, citrus, fruits, and coffee. We left early in the morning. While we were traveling, we were talking about what we expect to see. After a few hours, we finally arrived in Veracruz. The weather was warm and sunny, and the view was beautiful. Our first visit was to a banana plantation. When we arrived, the workers were harvesting bananas. They explained how they took care of the plants. It was very interesting to see how much work goes into production, something we often take for granted. I learned that banana plants need a lot of water and sunlight to grow well. The next day, we visited a farm that specialized in citrus fruit production, like oranges and lemons. While we were walking through the trees, the farmer was explaining how the fruits are picked and prepared for sale. We also learned about the challenges they face, like bad water and pests. It was amazing to see how much knowledge and effort it takes to grow healthy citrus fruits. Later that day, we visited a coffee plantation. I didn't know much about coffee production before this visit. While we were touring the plantation, the guide told us about the whole process, from planting the seeds to drying the beans. At the moment, some workers were roasting coffee beans, and the smell was incredible. I realized how much passion and dedication is needed to produce good coffee. On the last day, we went to an ecological center that focused on eco-friendly production and endemic species of the region. When we arrived, the guide was talking about the importance of protecting native plants and animals. We saw many interesting species that only live in Veracruz. It was a peaceful place, and we learned about how local communities are working to preserve the environment. During the world trip, I learned a lot about agriculture and nature. I discovered how important it is to support local producers and take care of the environment. I also had fun spending time with my classmates and exploring new places. I hope to visit Veracruz again one day.